Hello, Namaskar. This is Rupendra Gopali, and I'm currently working as BBA and BIM coordinator at Prime College. Prime College offers various IT and management courses, and among various IT courses, we offer one of the hybrid courses, that is BIM, Bachelor's in Information Management. And many students come here to ask regarding BIM courses. So BIM is a hybrid course which consists of management and IT courses. To be precise, it consists of 60% of IT and 40% of management. So हामीका आउने विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरुमा चाहिँ एउटा BIM कोर्सको बारेमा धेरै क्वेशन्सहरु क्वेरीजहरु छन् र धेरै कन्फ्युजन पनि हामीले पाइरहेका छौं. So त्यही कन्फ्युजनमा we found out some of the misconception regarding BIM courses. So I would like to highlight some misconception regarding BIM courses. So let's begin with point number 1. So let's talk about the first misconception, that many of our students feels that BIM is a new course. I would like to clarify that BIM is not a new course at all. In fact, Prime College has been offering BIM course since 2001. It has been around 2 decades that Prime College has been offering this particular course. We have already graduated 15 batches of students. 4 batches of students are already studying over here, and this time we are going to intake 20th batch of Prime College. So BIM is not a new course at all. It is a very old course and one of the most demanded course in terms of IT education. The second misconception that we found from our students is that many of our students feels that BIM is neither directed towards management nor IT. So यो कुरामा चाहिँ म अलिकति आफ्नो कुराहरु राख्न चाहन्छु कि BIM भन्ने बित्तिकै इट्स अ फुल फ्लेजेड IT प्रोफेसनल कोर्स जहाँ चाहिँ स्टुडेन्टले आफ्नो करियर बनाउने IT मै हो, तर सँगसँगै BIM को स्टुडेन्टले चाहिँ भेरियस म्यानेजमेन्ट कोर्सहरु पढेको हुन्छ. सो यो हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो फर्स्ट प्रेफरेन्स भनेको स्टुडेन्टको लागि उनीहरुले करियर बनाउने भनेको IT मै हो. तर भोलिको दिनमा फ्युचरमा गएर if they want to switch their career, if they want to pursue their higher education in management, they can easily switch in management. So BIM is basically a hybrid course of IT, but having added skills of management areas as well. Now I would like to highlight on third point, that is many of our students feels that is BIM a recognized program or not. Let me clarify on this particular point that BIM is considered to be one of the most recognized program run under the Tribhuvan University. And talking about Tribhuvan University, it is one of the most recognized university in Nepal as well as across the globe. So जति पनि हाम्रो विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु after they graduate from BIM, they work in various areas of IT and management. So यो हाम्रो स्टुडेन्टहरु जुन भोलिको दिनमा मार्केटमा गएर काम गर्दाखेरि जुन मार्केटमा रिक्वायरमेन्टको एलिजिबिलिटी देखि लिएर एकाडेमिक क्वालिफिकेसनको कुराहरु देखि लिएर सबै कुरा एज अ BIM Tribhuvan युनिभर्सिटीको प्रोग्राममा रन हुने भएको हुनाले it is one of the most recognized program under undergrad level. Coming to the fourth point, we found out that many of the students who are interested in BIM program, they synonymously use the term programming with IT. IT भन्ने बित्तिकै सबैजनाले प्रोग्रामिङमा मात्रै फिल्डमा काम गर्छ भन्ने हुँदैन. So I would like to clarify on this particular point that when a student study certain IT courses, they have these various areas where they can work in. IT ma we have programming, we have database, we have system, we have networking, we have web designing. So स्टुडेन्टले IT मा yes definitely programming courses त पढ्नु पर्छ, तर IT भन्ने बित्तिकै it is not limited to programming only. So students who are pursuing IT education, especially in BIM, they can pursue their career in various IT domain along with having managerial skills. Lastly, I would like to focus on this specific point where we found that many of our students are in confusion that BIM program neither leads to a specific career. So let me clarify on this particular point that BIM program provides a strong foundation in information technology along with having added skills in management areas. As I mentioned earlier, that many of our students who graduate their BIM program, they can have their career in various IT areas as well as management areas. अहिले जति पनि हाम्रो BIM graduateहरु जुन मार्केटमा छन्, they have been working in various reputed IT company locally and internationally. Similarly in various government areas, similarly in management areas, and also they are doing their own entrepreneurial venture. So I would like to say that BIM program is designed in such a way that those students who want to pursue their career in IT can have their best IT career, and those who want to switch their career and do something in management areas can also make their career in management. So they have this dual option of management and IT. With this, I would like to conclude few of my clarification regarding misconceptions of BIM program. If you have got any queries, any questions regarding our courses that we offer at Prime College, you are most welcome at Prime College. Thank you.